Hey guys, Seal Fans, Clocks, Minecraft, Roblox, and more. Back with another video, and today, what I'm going to show you is a Howard Miller clock. And it looks to me like an older gram bracket, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, I got this clock for the most recent Christmas, Christmas 2021, and yeah, today I'm gonna show you the chimes on it. But before I do, I'll just help you turn it around. I don't want to show you the gold plate in the back, but what does say on the very top is the year 1975, so that's probably around the time where it's from. Yeah, it's got some personal information on it, so yeah. Anyways, here's the movement right here. It's a C, so it's probably from the early to mid 1990s. Yeah, it says C right there. Yeah, probably from around there. And here are the instructions to it. Unfortunately, the top of it got cut off. I don't know when, but yeah, unfortunately, I do not know. As a result, I do not know the model number for this clock. But if anyone can tell me in the comments what model number or name it is, that would be great. Alright, we'll go ahead and close it back up, and I'll turn it back around. Okay, we're going to show it on the only chime it has, the Westminster chimes, starting with 15 minutes, 15 minutes after, or should I say a quarter after. So yeah, here we go. We're just going to wait less than a minute. Oh yeah, and if you can hear that other clock chiming in the background, it's my Seiko wall clock right here. Oh yeah. In the background is a Vornado fan, by the way. Oh yeah. Here's my Howard Miller mill shop. I once made an appearance on this one in one of my videos, as you may have seen. But yeah. Just gonna wait. See when it chimes. Alright, should chime very soon. Yeah, also this clock is located on my desk in my bedroom, by the way. And yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the half-hour chime. Alright. And now here's the quarter till Westminster chime. Alright. And now here's the full Westminster chime and the hour strike. that is it for the chimes. But before I end the video, I'm just gonna show you the logo on it. Now, you can't really see it that well, but you get the idea. Just move the hour hand. Yeah, there it is. So I couldn't really see that well, but yeah. That is my Howard Miller Westminster chime mantel clock. Not sure if it is a gram bracket though. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed. Fans, Clocks, Minecraft, Roblox, and more out.